So despite the almost 4 months long postponement in the last sitting being meant for Advocate Charles Mnisi to prepare for the defense of accused number 1, Muzi Sibiya, well, the cross-examination of lead investigator Brigadier Bongani Gninda resumed, with Mnisi focusing on accused number 3, Mthobisi Mncube, insisting that the final report from scientists on DNA samples that were taken from all the accused, including his client Mncube, did not match DNA found on the hat. But Gninda says that Mnisi read that report out of context.
The final results, which the scientists from DNA came and told this court, was that. Actually, let me read it to you from what they are saying. That is now in what exhibit now? Exhibit X in bracket 12, my lord.
Yeah, no.
Exhibit
I'm
X
listening. I'm listening.
in bracket 12.
Yeah.
And that is page 4 of 5. And this is why the scientists from the Forensic Science Laboratory in South Africa, it's internationally recognized for that matter. And this is what they are saying. From the results in table 1, that is where the comparison was done, I can make the following findings. This is Captain MP Maseta that is writing this. Paragraph 4.1, the donors of the following reference sample were excluded as the donors of the DNA on the swab, in parentheses 1, and the head, in parentheses B, in bracket, presumable high friction area. And those donors are MZ Mapisa.
Athi lapho ke umuntu kade khona MZ Mapisa,
BS Ntanzi,
uBS Ntanzi,
Mncube,
Mncube,
Mtulifiso Kuhle,
Mtulifiso Kuhle,
Sibiya MS.
no Sibiya MS.
Let me simplify this. He simply says here, from his analysis, the samples that were obtained from the donors, which are the names of the people that I've read here, could not be matched with the DNA that was found in the head, as well as the swab. These are the swabs that were found in the doors and the bedroom areas and stuff like that. But primarily, none of the names of the people that I've read here could their DNA be matched with the DNA profile that was found in the head.
I disagree with what Advocate Mnisi is saying. He's saying the analysis, for example, of the expert says accused 1, 2,
Brigadier Gninda,
can I finish, my
Brigadier Gninda, this is what is on record. That is not yet what I'm putting to you.
My Lord,
what I'm going to put to you is still coming.
What Advocate Mnisi is putting to me, he said to me, my Lord, and to put it step by, he said the analysis, the word analysis was used by the expert, the captain, to exclude 1 up to 5 in this. And I disagree with that, because that part is referring to is the conclusion, is the finding. The analysis lies above that report. And if you read the analysis of the expert, you will find that some of the accused are read into the DNA. So he's reading that part out of context, and that is why I say I cannot leave it like that, because it will look like I agree with him, and that's incorrect.
Well, Gninda, however, insists that Mncube's DNA was found, but not on all 16 DNA regions, and that is why scientists said they had reached an inconclusive finding.
Analysis implicates or includes accused number 3, it includes accused number 2, it includes accused number 4. That's what I recall. And the reasons, as the court has rightfully put it, my lord, is that the only reason that was given to me by the expert for him not to make a finding, he said he must be able, according to their standard, to read the donor into all 16 regions. And he was unable to do this, particularly because there was a mixture, my lord.
Well, Ganinda also confirmed the circumstances which led to the arrest of accused number 1, Muzi Sibiya, that it was Constable Sizwe Zungu who alerted police to his father Absalom Zungu having information on the killing of Senzo Meyiwa.
You're meeting with Constable Zungu at the office of the National Commissioner. Zungu, then what transpired?
He gave the information, my lord, about accused 1 and 2, but also then makes mention of his father. And that led to the arrangement of me requesting that the father must be present to corroborate what he was saying.
Then, subsequent to this information, you then went on with your corroboration process in order to authenticate what told you, not so?
Yes, that led us, my lord, in essence, to the 17th of November 2019, where Zungu's father came, wrote by Constable Zungu, and the statement was then disposed. That implicated accused 1 and 2 in this matter. This is now from the father of Constable Zungu.
Criselda Lewis, SABC News at the High Court in Pretoria.